The 15th day of the 8th lunar month is a Mid-Autumn Festival, a celebration that focuses on the moon. Enjoying the beauty of the full moon on this day has been a long-standing traditional Chinese custom for centuries. According to the legend, in ancient times, there were 10 suns in the sky simultaneously, and the strong exposure and extremely hot temperature made people's lives a misery. A hero named Hou Yi came along, shot down 9 suns, and saved the world. To reward his bravery, the Queen Mother gave him an elixir as a reward. Chang'e, Hou Yi's wife, drank the elixir by accident and became immortal. Since immortals cannot remain in a mortal realm, she had to leave the earth, ascended to the moon, and could only watch the human world from afar. Aside from Spring Festival, the Mid-Autumn Festival is the most important festival symbolizing reunion. The roundness of the full moon expresses people's desire for a wholesome, happy family. Eating mooncakes is an important custom during the Mid-Autumn Festival. Due to the different diet habits in different regions, mooncakes vary in taste. Traditional flavors include fillings of 5 kernel, egg yolk, jujube paste, and bean paste. Now, there are new flavors like ice cream and durian. Although the taste of mooncake is changing, the symbolic meaning of the full moon remains unchanged. And the Chinese custom of eating mooncake and longing for reunion during the Mid-Autumn Festival will never fade away.